Non-standard socket screw were established in 1971 and since then have become a major stockist and manufacturer, offering the widest range of fastening products in the UK. What sets us apart is that we can also manufacture on site to DIN, ANSI and BS and ISO standards to your specifications and quantities. We have a modern manufacturing facility where we can produce small batch quantities of standard, special or prototype parts. Our qualified CAD technicians can create technical drawings from your sketches and samples, which means we can produce parts to your individual and exacting standards. Our products are manufactured in a variety of materials to meet our customers' specific requirements, including alloy and stainless steels, brass, aluminium, titanium and special alloys. Bars are cut to precise lengths predetermined at the production planning stage. Our hot forging process ensures preferential grain flow on head formation for increased strength. This also enables us to stamp identification and strength grades on each part. With our range of hot forging presses with capacities between 45 to 120 tons, non-standard socket screw has the ability to forge parts from 5 to 36 mm diameter with lengths of up to 700 mm with a variety of head and recessed shapes, hexagon, pentagon, square and 6-point. With our varied range of CNC automated lathes and millers, we can meet the most exacting specifications. Using the latest computer technology, we can turn and mill tolerances of 1/1000th of an inch, including product which can be fully machined without the need for additional head operations. Combined with our thread rolling range, we can produce thread sizes from 2 to 64 mm, with larger sizes in development. The CNC capability also allows us to mill a variety of profiles, both internally and externally. In our heat treatment plant, we can harden and temper alloy and stainless steels to industry-recognized grades, including high and low temperature application materials, such as L7 and B7. We can also apply an aesthetic black finish to alloy steels using a specialized polymer quench. Finished product can be coated in a variety of finishes, including zinc applied either mechanically or electrolytically, chemical blacking, geomet, galvanized and PTFE. Industry-recognized non-slip nylon and other patching materials can also be applied to customers' exacting standards. Our large modern warehouse stocks several million screws and fasteners meeting worldwide standards, and we distribute throughout the UK and globally, giving you access to over 15,000 product types, including socket head cap screws, countersunk, hexagon wrenches, shoulder screws, dowel pins, square head and flange button. Our products hold the world together, from bridges to trains to racing cars, and it's our experience, reputation and expertise that ensures you can trust that our fasteners will perform in precisely the way you need them to every time. From bar to box to you, non-standard socket screw delivers.